Hi friends, welcome to Bilingual Tutorial. Today we are discussing the biography, works and awards of a diasporic writer, a product of multicultural background, and her name is Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri is the byname of Neelanjana Sudeshna Lahiri, who was born on 1967 in London. Lahiri was born to Bengali parents from Kolkata, and her father a university librarian and her mother a school teacher. They moved to London, there Lahiri was born, and then to United States and settled in Rhode Island when she was young. In 1989, she graduated with a BA in English Literature from Barnard College and obtained 3 master's degrees, one in English, another in creative writing, and one another in comparative literature and arts, and a doctorate in Renaissance studies from Boston University. Lahiri got married with a journalist in 2001 and had 2 children. The family currently lives in New York. While discussing her works, the most important one is the short story collection Interpreter of Maldives, published in 1999. This collection dealt with issues of Indians or Indian immigrants, including their generation gap and values. And another themes are practices of arranged marriage, alienation, dislocation, loss of culture, and provide insight into the experiences of Indian immigrants as well as the lives of Kolkatians. This collection has won many awards for her. It won Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in 2000, O. Henry Award in 1999, and the PEN or Hemingway Award, and around 6 lakh copies of this were sold out. Next, it is her first novel, The Namesake, which is published in 2003. Actually, it is a novella which is published in The New Yorker. Later, in 2006, a film was made on this. This is a story that examines the theme of personal identity and the conflicts produced by the immigrants by following the internal dynamics of a Bengali family in US. It is the story of Gurgal Ganguly and his family. Lahiri broke her previous literary focus on first-generation Indian immigrants through the short fiction Unaccustomed Earth, which is published in 2008. It's a collection in which the experience of second and third generation immigrants as well as of their assimilation into American culture is included. And this book won her Frank O'Connor International Short Story Award in 2008 and the Asian American Literary Award in 2009. Lahiri has published many short stories in The New Yorker, including Cooking Lesson, The Long Way Home in 2004, Improvisations and Rise in 2009, Reflections, Notes from a Literary Apprenticeship in 2011. A novel, The Lowland, which is published in 2013, which chronicles the divergent paths of 2 Bengali brothers. And this was nominated for both the Man Booker Prize and National Book Award and earned DSC Prize for South Asian Literature in 2015. Lahiri was awarded a 2014 National Humanities Medal by US President Barack Obama in 2015. Her first Italian book, In Altere Parole, which means in other words, published in 2015. It's a meditation on her immersion in another language and culture. Lahiri continued writing in Italian, and in 2018 she released the novel Dove mi trovo, which means where I find myself. Hope you understood today's lesson. Thank you for listening.